I got the barbecue potato chip seasoned curly fries in this box, man. They smell like barbecue chips too, y'all. The barbecue chip curly fries is hidden. We got the Sour Patch watermelon lemonade from Jack in the Crack, man. Let's see what it's hitting on. Mix up that Sour Patch watermelon lemonade. Strong watermelon flavor. Jack in the Box, I ain't gonna lie. These barbecue chips flavored seasoned fries is hidden. But for $4 for this small box that ain't even full all the way, I'm gonna do better.